and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm doing really good. Again, in my Nickelodeon t-shirt, same day, doing an unboxing craze thing today. But I hope you guys are doing well. If you are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. So with that, sorry, there's like someone mowing their yard and I was distracted for a minute. But with that being said, we do have yet again another unboxing. Today we have my Birchbox. As usual, I can't remember how much Birchbox is a month, but I will leave everything down in the description below, along with a link if you want to check out their website. It is in no way an affiliate link. I just like to leave it down there so you guys have easy access to it. So with that being said, let's see what we got in this box. And we'll just rip into it. This box takes me forever to open. Whoops. That one didn't come out like I wanted it to. Okay. So inside of our hard to open box is another box. And here is the box this month. It is very fall themed. It has leaves all over it with fall colors, which I absolutely love. I'm so sorry. Never mind. But anyways, I love fall. I love everything about fall. All the bugs die, and hot chocolate and sweatshirts and everything that goes with it. I love it. But anyways, enough rambling. Let's get into this box. So we open up the box and we have the card. And the theme this month is turn over a new leaf, and it has some money moves, beauty hacks, stuff like that on there. And on the back of the card, it has all of the items that are in the box and the full-size prices. So let's get in here and see what we got. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a hydrating serum. And it comes in this itty-bitty little tube here. Here is the packaging for it. And this is by Air Repair. And this says Protect and Prevent Hydrating Serum. The full size of this is $26. It says your skin will drink up the serum with hydrating hyaluronic acid and protective cloudberry seed oil. After cleansing and before moisturizing, apply 1 to 3 drops, to face and neck. So I can probably get a couple uses out of this. It is very tiny, but I'll give it a go and see how it works. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Well People. And it is BioCorrect. And it is another little squeezy tube. And this says, this creamy concealer, okay, it's a concealer, uses organic algae, coffee, and anti-aging peptides to depuff, brighten, and smooth fine lines. Dab under your eyes or on top of troubled areas. So we'll just see if it has a color to it. It does have an itty-bitty little safety seal. So we'll get that out of there. Let's just put it on my finger. It does have some tint to it, which that will match my ghostly skin very well. So we will, it is kind of yellowy, but it definitely gets into those creases. And there it is. You guys probably can't see it. It matches my skin tone, but it's on the back of my hand. It is filling the creases. So there is that. And the next thing we have is by Marcella. It is BB Cream Golden Glow. And this is, the full size of this is $29. The full size of this concealer, the cost is $22.99. But anyway, this BB cream, it says, I lost it. This paraben and oil-free BB cream gives skin a golden glow while also controlling shine and evening out your skin tone. So another thing for our skin, now I have concealer all over it. So this is just a, what is this? It just gives your skin a golden glow, controlling shine and evening out skin tone. So we'll see if this, and here's the little packaging for it. And it has no safety seal, and it is tinted. As you can see, I can put it underneath my makeup though. So I would definitely be giving this a go. It seems like this box is very skincare heavy. So far we have 3 little squeezy tubes. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Milu, and this is a hair shield. And It says, defend against heat damage with this pre-styling spray infused with lentil seed and panthenol to boost moisture and add shine before heat styling spray throughout damp hair, which I'm really excited about this because I do straighten my hair a lot, and as you guys know, I'm on a journey with my hair. So I would definitely be using this, and the full size of this is $37. Let's see if it has a smell to it. It kind of smells like rubbing alcohol. And it doesn't taste good. I don't think you're supposed to taste it, but it got in my mouth. But I would definitely spray this on my hair and give it a go and see how this works on my hair. And the last thing that is in our little box is by Ico. It is the Skinny Liquid Black Eyeliner, which I think we had gotten in another box. I can't remember which one, but I know I've gotten this eyeliner before and it works amazing. So here is the Ico eyeliner. And it says, whether you want to achieve if you want to achieve a subtle look, a subtle and defined line, or my dogs are running down my stairs. Where am I at? Line or more advanced cat eye, this liquid eyeliner gives you the most precise line thanks to its easy hold pen tip. And I'm not going to open this because I have so many eyeliners, so I will wait to open this until I use one of my other ones. And that is the last thing. So overall, this box is really skincare heavy. We got 3 little squeezy tubes, an eyeliner, and then the hair stuff. So I mean, and like I said, I can't remember how much this box is, but I will use everything in the box. If you guys get this box, do you guys like it? Do you guys think it's worth the money? Like I said, I'll put what it costs, the box costs down below in the description. But I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions on this month's Birchbox. So with that being said, that is all that I have for this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!